Hello, today's topic is view and navigation. Basically, in Revit, we can view our project through Viewcube tool and the navigation wheel tool. The Viewcube navigation tool provides visual feedback about the current model orientation and allows us to adjust the model. It allows us to switch between standard and isometric views of our model. I can easily switch between different views, as shown. For example, I would click on top, and then I will go back and restore my original 3D view by clicking on Home button. I'm going to go to that corner, the back view, the bottom view. Then I can restore and define the Home original 3D view by clicking on Home button. The compass in the Viewcube is used to indicate the direction in which north is defined for the model. We can also click a cardinal direction letter on the compass to rotate the model. For instance, I can click on the east elevation or the north elevation, or the south elevation, and so on. I can also adjust manually the orientation of my view by pressing Shift and the middle button of my mouse. Likewise. And also by scrolling the middle button of my mouse, I can zoom in and zoom out. In addition to that, I can move the view by pressing on the middle button of the mouse, this way. Finally, moving to the full navigation wheel, which is this one. If I close the navigation bar and I want to get it back, I can hit View tab and then User Interface, check Navigation bar. Full navigation wheel can be used to adjust accurately the view presented by Viewcube. We can then use Rewind button to restore any preset views. It provides access to the general and specialized 3D navigation tools as the following. Firstly, I need to click Full Navigation bar. Zoom. If I click on Zoom, I can zoom in and out. Rewind. Rewind restores the most recent views. We can move backward or forward by clicking and dragging left or right. In Rewind, I press and hold. Press and hold. This is what I meant by moving backward or forward by clicking and dragging. Pan. Pan moves the view in all directions. Orbit. Orbit changes the model orientation by rotating the model around a pivot point while the view remains fixed. Walk. Walk simulate walking through a model. It requires a perspective view. Up/down slides the current view of a model along the z-axis of the model. Look. Look swivels the current view. Center. Center defines the center of the current model view. For example, the center of that east facade, the center of the top view, and so on. In case we don't need the navigation wheel, we just close out it from here. Finally, an interesting tip regarding correcting the distortion of the vertical lines. To illustrate that, I will take a camera view. Camera, and I would take a view from here. Notice that the vertical line is not actually vertical. This is a vertical line, but this is a distorted vertical line. So I need to click on the navigation wheel and right click on that wheel, level camera, escape. Notice that the vertical distortion got fixed. And by this we come to the end of our topic today. Please like this video if you find it helpful.